So here we have the Volkswagen T-Cross on a 72 plate. I'm going to hop inside the car and run through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge. We have the rev counter in the middle, speedometer to the right-hand side of that, and then the fuel gauge on the far right. Also in the middle, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 2,832. You can change the way in which the information is displayed up here. So the style of the dial, so you can have a speedometer there, for example. You can also change the information displayed within those sections as well. So you could, for example, have your driving data in the middle there, the audio, your telephone, for example. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have stereo controls over there as well. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically, depending on the car in front speed. And then over in the center, we have the main touchscreen for the car. So we're on the audio menu there at the moment. You can see we've got FM, DAB, and internet radio. If you listen to your own music, you can do so via Bluetooth audio, or you can create your own playlists and have those displayed up on here as well. Pairing your phone is easy. Just hit the phone button and follow the instructions on screen from there. Working our way down, we then have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning isn't on at the moment. It's on when that light shows. Same button will turn it off, of course. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set over here. Above that, we can turn our parking sensors on and off, our hazard warning lights, and this button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. And then finally, we have a 6-speed manual gearbox just here and 2 USB-C inputs. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.